Hello students, we are back again in our maths class. As we have completed 5.1, today we are going to start with 5.2. In 5.1, we came to know about multiplication. Now in 5.2, we are going to learn division. Clear? Now division of what? Division of variables. Clear? So your first question, just see here what? This is monomial and this is also monomial. So here we are dividing what? Monomial with monomial. Clear? So if your dividend and divisor both are in monomial terms, then how will you divide? Okay? So let's see what you will do. You all will rewrite the question. I am not rewriting the question. Okay? Just see. 25 m n cube by 5 m n. Okay? Now you all know how to cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. M and m cancel, right? Here it is how much n? 3n, and here 1n. That means how many n you can cancel? 1n you can cancel. Then it will become what? 2n, right? N square. Sorry. If you cancel n and n cube, it will be your n square. So what is your answer here left? Minus 5n square. One thing student, just see, don't get confused here. N cube means what? Just you see, n cube means 3 times n. Here 1n, if you cancel them, how many n's are left? N square, n into n is n square. Clear? Students, don't get confused in this while cutting the term, while bringing them in the lowest term. Okay? Similarly, question number B. Just see your question number B. 48 p square q cube r to the power 4 divided by minus 8 p q r square. Now, if you find confusion to cut directly, you can do one thing, okay? Like 48. How many p are there? 2. Q is how much? Q, right? R is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, just see minus 8 into P, Q, R is square, right? Now also you can cancel in this way also, you can cancel in this way also. I am showing you both the way. Clear? Now 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48. Clear? Then Q, Q, R, R, R and R. Now just see. Anything left in the denominator? No. What is left here? Minus sign is left, right? Minus 6 P Q square R square. This is your answer. Clear? So students, number C and number D. Question number C and D you will try it by yourself. Okay? This is the method of monomial divided by monomial. So now next question number 2. C and D will be your homework for this number 1. Clear? So students, your question number 2. What is it saying? Here you see, here it is 1, 2, 3 terms, right? It becomes trinomial. Now trinomial divided by monomial. Clear? That means you can say a polynomial is going to be divided by a monomial. So how are we going to do it? Twice a cube, sorry, 12a cube plus 20a square minus 28a divided by 4a. Clear? Divide means we are writing here. Clear students? Now as it is only single term, so what you are going to do? You are going to separate them. A cube by 4a. With 12a cube you can write 4a. You are just what you are doing? You are separating the terms. What we are doing? We are just separating them. Okay students? What we did? We are just separating it. 12a cube by 4a. 20a square by minus 28a by 4a. Clear? Now next step. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are. Now here, this and this, a square left. So what is left here? Thrice a square. Next, plus sign. A square, a cancel. 4 ones are 5. What is left? 5a. Minus sign. A cancel. 4 sevens are 28. Clear students? If it is only single term, then only remember one thing, don't forget. If it is only monomial, then only you can do this in this way. Clear? If we have 2 terms are there, you cannot do this in this way. Understood? Only single term you can do it in this method. Okay? Next, question number B. In question number B, just see what is the question saying. This is same polynomial, more than 3 terms, right? This is going to be a polynomial. Now polynomial is divided by what? By 2 terms. That means binomial. Okay? When it is 2 terms, we always use long division method. Now we are going to divide it. Okay? As we do the normal division. So how we are going to do? This is dividend. So we are going to write this term here. Everyone listen very carefully what I am saying and try to understand with what I am comparing the other numbers. Okay? So, this is your dividend. This is what? This is your dividend. So, dividend where we write? We write inside. This is your divisor. 5a plus 2. Just see again, I am telling you, when we write these numbers like this, how we write? We write 80 here, 6 here, right? Don't get confused. Sirf only here these are numerical values. Here along with numerical values you are getting variables also. This is the only difference. Other everything is going to be same. So don't get confused how to do. There are variables I cannot do. Don't think in that way. First of all, think it is very easy. Clear? So our first motto. When we solve this solution, our first motto is to see this number and this number. First, what we are to do? We are to see this number and this number. Now, what is this number? 5a. I am writing here in graph, okay? Just to make you explain, I am writing here 5. This is what? 10a cube. Now just see, if I divide, when we do long division method, our first motto is to bring this number, same this number we are to bring. Okay, and how we will bring? By multiplying with this. Now, 5a, with 5a what you will multiply? Then you will get your this answer. If I multiply 2a square, 5 into 2, 10, a into a square, a cube. That means if I multiply 2a square, I will get this value. Right? And this value is same as this. So, 5 into what I will do? 2a square. Now just see, as there are 2 numbers, so I cannot only leave the number by multiplying this number with this number. Right? If I multiply 5 into 2, 10, a into a square, a cube. Clear? Students, now you see. Sorry. With this we multiplied this. Now this number along with the sign. Remember we have to take the sign also. Now what is this here? 2. 2 2 ja 4. 4a square. So plus 4a square. See, first what you have to do, after you find this number, first number, पहले इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, फिर इसको इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. You have to multiply with both the numbers. Remember this. After that, we will subtract. When we divide, we always subtract, and when we subtract variables, we change the sign. Right? Here no sign plus, it becomes minus. Here plus sign, it became minus. Now plus and minus cancel. 10 minus 10 0. No need to write. Now this one, minus and minus, minus minus plus. So we are going to do plus. 11 plus 4, 15. Now which sign is bigger? 11 sign is bigger, minus sign. Right? Now just you see how this came. Minus 11a square minus 4a square. When we change the sign, we consider the changed sign. We don't consider the given sign. Okay? Now, if I say you normally solve this, how will you do? Minus minus plus, right? 11 plus 4, 15. 15 a square. Now, which is bigger? 11 is bigger. What is the sign of 11? Minus. This is how here 15 a square came. Clear? Then you pull down the numbers 19a and 10. Clear? Now, next step. Again, our next step is what? To cancel this one. Remember students, our first step is always going to be to omit this number. Our motto is going to be omit this number. Our first number, again, what first number we have? 15a. what we want? 15a square. What number we have? We have 15a. What number we want so that the answer becomes 15a square, right? So 5 3s are, if I do 5 into minus 3, I will get minus 15. I have 1a. I have to add what? More 1a. That means I have to multiply the number with minus 3a. So I am going to write here what? Minus 3a. Clear students? Now अभी एक चीज ध्यान रखना स्टूडेंट्स, अभी फर्स्ट नंबर का कोई काम नहीं है. ओके, दिस फर्स्ट नंबर हैज नो वर्क नाउ, सो फॉरगेट दिस नंबर. Don't remember this number that it is there. In second line, second number. Okay? Keep this always in mind. Don't get confused with this first number. This first number, first line. Finish. Now, second number, second line. So, let us multiply. 5a into minus 3a. Your answer is what? Minus 15a square. Right? With this is done. Now, with this. Again with this. Again with this, we are going to multiply this. Now, plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6a. Clear students? Now again, we are going to subtract it. So, before subtraction, we have to change the sign. If it is minus, we have to bring plus, and if it is plus, we are to bring minus. So, now minus and plus, same number cancel. Plus 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 19 plus 6 25a plus 25a, bigger as plus sign, then 10. Now what number we want again? Our first number is 5a. Our first number is what? 5a. Now what number we should multiply with so that we get what? 25a. What number if you put here? 5 5s are 25a. So what number you are going to put here? 5 plus 5. Why plus sign? Because here it is plus sign. Clear students? Now 5a into 5 is 25a. Plus a plus a plus. 5 2s are again this 2 into 5. 2 into 5 10. Again change the sign. Plus sign minus sign cancel. Plus sign minus sign cancel. Same number. So your remainder is 0. So how we are going to write your answer? Quotient equals to, what is your quotient? Twice a square minus thrice a plus 5, and remainder is, your remainder is 0. Students, it is very easy if you understand the concept, and if you find difficult while doing direct, make a rough column and solve here. Understood? So write down question number B. So students, before doing question number C, let us do question number D. Okay? Let's try the question. X cube plus 4x square minus 4x minus 16. This is your dividend and this is going to be your divisor. Okay? X minus 2. Okay students, let me erase this question once. There is no space it seems. Okay? I have written the question already. I am just erasing so that you could see the numbers clearly. Okay. Now our first motto again. Which number we are to cancel? X cube. And what number we have? We have only x, right? So to make it x cube, how many x we need more? X square. X square into x is, just students, just see carefully. X into x square is x cube. We have to bring the same numbers here, right? Plus, so plus sign. Again with this one finished. Now with this, minus 2 into x square. Minus 2 into x square is what? Minus 2x square. Clear? First line over. First number we have multiplied with this and this. Clear students? Now minus plus into this minus sign will change to plus sign. Before we, then same number cancel. Plus into plus, plus. Bigger as plus sign, 6x square. No need to write plus sign, but just I have written for your convenience. Okay? Then let's put down the numbers here. Now what number we need next to cancel? This number. What we have? We have only x, but we need what? 6x square. We have only x, what we need? 6x square. Clear students? So what we are going to add here more? 6x x into 6x, your answer is going to be 6x square. So we are going to add here 6x. So what is going to be the answer? X into, now second line, x into 6x, 6x square. Minus into plus, minus. 2 6 are 12. Minus 12x. Clear? Now again we'll change the sign as we are subtracting it. While subtraction we have to change the sign. Now minus into plus, minus. Bigger as plus sign. So we are going to put plus sign because 12 sign is what? Plus. Bigger sign. 12 minus 4, 8x. Minus 16. Okay students? Now again what number we need? We have x. We need 8x. Clear? So what we are going to add here? Plus 8. Because here is plus sign. So x into 8 is 8x. Then again minus into plus, minus 2 8 ja 16. Now you change the sign. Answer is 0. So your quotient is what? X square plus 6x plus 8 and remainder is what? 0. Clear students? Now students, see one thing more. Don't get confused when you solve this sum. Okay? Again I am just showing you something more. This we have done same as first method, right? What we did? First number we multiplied with this number, then again with this number and we wrote in the first line. Then with this whole number we multiplied the second number once with x, again with minus 2 and we wrote it in the second line, right? Then again this number we multiplied with 8 and we wrote it in the third line. When we came to third line there was no work of this two, right? Now just see students how this first line came. Okay, just let me make your concept little more clear. What was your number? Suppose if you multiply here sorry x minus 2, right students? This is what? X minus 2. We are writing here our divisor. Now your first number is what? X cube. Your first number in the question is x cube. So just mention right here x cube, not back side, in the front side. Okay? Now what you are going to do? Just see what number you need, what number should. In normal multiplication what we do? We multiply from this side, right? But now we are considering this number because we have placed the number here. So what number more you need here? You need x square. If you multiply x into x square, your answer is x cube. Yes or no? So now you just do normal multiplication. X square into 2 is what? Minus 2x square. X square into x is x cube. Now this first line same. This came here as it is, it came here. Clear students? If your variable is not same, if you are this, suppose here x square, suppose if it comes here x, so you will place this number here, you will keep this place blank. Okay? In this way also you can do all the steps separately, you can solve it and you can put it in the each and every column. Clear students? Next question number C. Question check kar raha. Now your question, now just see, you have more terms, right? Before you had 4 terms, now you have how many terms? 6 terms. So don't get scared, oh so many terms, how I will solve it, right? And here in divisor how many terms? 3 terms, but the method is same, no changement in methods. Okay, so let's write the question again here. X square plus y square plus 4z square plus 2xy minus 4yz minus xz. 1 2 3 4 5 6, correct. X plus y minus 2z. Okay students, this is your question. So I am erasing the question so that you get some space. Okay. So our first motto again, this is our side work. Our first motto is what? To cancel this number, right? Our first motto is what? To cancel this number. And what is our first number? X. What is our first number? X. So first what we are going to do, right? I will show you the another method, okay, which I explained in the last sum. Just let us write this number for the first step. What is the first number? X plus y minus 2z. This is our divisor. So what is our motto? We are to bring what? X square. So what we are going to do here? We are going to write x square in the first. Right? We are going to write x square where? In the first. So we have to make this x as same as it. So what number we need to multiply? We need to multiply it with x. X into x, if I do, what it is? X square. Right? Now with just like normal multiplication you do it. X into z minus 2xz plus x into y, xy. Now this same line you will place here. Now x square you will write x squares down. Then xy. Where is xy? Where is the variable xy? Here, right? So you are going to place plus xy here. Then minus zx. Where is zx? Here it is, right? So minus 2zx or xy. Sorry, same. If you write xz also, it is going to be same. Clear, student? Now with what variable? With x. So now we are going to subtract it. So change the sign. After writing everything, you will change the sign. Okay? Don't change the sign before. Remember this thing also. Cancel. Finish. Let us do now again. Y square plus 4z. No movement in these steps. So I directly brought them down. Plus into minus. Minus. Bigger as plus sign. So I am writing here plus xy. Again I am bringing it 4yz down. Why? No moment in this also. Minus into plus, minus. Bigger as minus sign. So I am placing here what sign? Minus sign. 4 minus 2, 2xz. Clear, students? Now again, this is our divisor. In second step also, which is our divisor? This one. So let us write the divisor again here for the second line. Okay? Into. Now, which number you need? Y square. Which number? Y square we need now. Now this is a very big question mark, right? But our first number is not y, right? Where is y in the question? Just see. Here it is. Where is y in the question? It is in the middle. So what I need? I need y square. But I have first term what? X. But I need to cancel this term. As per my rule, I need to cancel the first term na. So what I will do? To make it y square, what I will do? I will multiply it with y. Why? Why I am multiplying it with y? Because my first term is y square. Clear, students? Now y into y. Suppose now I am doing normal multiplication. Minus 2yz plus y square and xy. Clear? This is my answer. So friends, after multiplication, what is our answer here? Xy plus y square minus 2yz. Now we will place this variable here. Okay? Now xy. Where is our plus xy? Here. So we are placing here xy. Then plus y square. We will place y square here. Clear? Then what? Minus 2yz. Where is yz? It is here. Minus 2yz. Now we will going to change the sign first. We have changed the sign. Now see, plus minus cancel. Again plus and minus same variables cancel. Now 4z square. Now minus into plus minus. Bigger as minus sign. 2yz minus 2xz. Clear? Now we came to our third step. So let us write this divisor again. X plus y minus 2z. So what is our motto? 4z square, right? Now 4z square we are to bring. Now by seeing this variable, with which number we can bring 4z square? Just see, with which number we can bring z square? Z square is where? In this variable. So we will make same with this. Already what we have here? We have minus 2z. Already we have. So by what we will multiply? If I multiply again with minus 2. Minus plus. 2 2s are 4. Z into z. Z square. I can easily get. Right? Why I am putting here minus sign? Because I have to bring here plus 4z square. So if I multiply now, minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4 z square. I got plus z square. Again now if this one, plus into minus, minus 2yz. Again minus 2xz. Clear? We got this answer. So let us place these values in this line. Plus 4z square, then minus 2yz, minus 2yz, then minus 2xz. With what? Minus 2, minus 2z, right? Now we will change the sign now. After changing the sign, we can cancel them now. Just see, opposite sign, same numbers. Answer is 0. So what is your quotient here? I am writing here it inside. Quotient is, remainder is 0 and quotient is x plus y minus 2z. Clear, students? See, I have showed you two different ways, right? One you can do in this process and the other one which I showed you in the two terms one. Okay, both the methods are correct. You can do it in any way. I have just shown you two ways. Why? So which method you feel easy, you can do it. Okay, students? So in our next video we are going to do question number 3, 4 and 5.